Now that we know that our implementation works, it is time to disable queries in the main thread. Remember that we enabled this option temporarily with the only purpose to see that we did not make any mistake implementing room. As you know, running certain operations in the main thread can lock the UI. Therefore, these operations need to be run asynchronously and in a separate thread. One straightforward way to get off the main thread is to make a runnable in a separate thread, which will look like this. Here, we create a new thread that uses a runnable. The runnable will perform our database logic. In case that it's needed, it will update the UI. Finally, we start the thread to execute our logic. Unfortunately, there is a serious issue with this approach. The UI cannot be modified from the newly created thread. The good news are that, thanks to the magic of Android architecture components, we will handle the UI update in a completely different way. Because of that, our runnable can be simplified to this. The only caveat is that in order to be able to simplify our thread into this, we will need to learn a few more things. The temporary solution will be to call to run on UI thread with a new runnable to update our UI, which is particularly ugly. We will come back to improve this shortly. For now, remember that this is a temporary solution for updating our UI because we are learning one component at a time. Once you know how to use Android architecture components, you will implement everything simultaneously without using this temporary solution.